Hey there YouTube fans, AC Productions here, and today we'll be showing you on two products that I use to deter thieves from getting away with my motorcycle. Okay, now the two products that I use, this one over here is for your handbrake, and the second one is for your front rotor. Now these two products are only used to deter thieves from getting away with your motorcycle. Now with that being said, not everything is foolproof, and if they really want your bike, they're going to take your bike regardless of the products that you even have on your motorcycle. But at least by having this, it'll give you a peace of mind on actually knowing that your bike is somewhat secure. And like I said, nothing is ever 100%, but something is better than nothing on having on your bike, so that if a thief were to come and try to take your bike, it will deter them on taking it. Okay, so let me show you this one. This one is a handbrake lock. Now this is how it looks like. It's made out of all of aluminum, and they have a few different colors. I picked red obviously because my bike is red, but they have black and they have silver, I believe, and this red one. I'll have a link in the description below on both of these products so you guys could purchase them also. Now this one uses a unique circle key. It opens up like that. So let's go to the front of the bike and let me show you how to install this product. Okay, to install this product, pretty much it comes with this really cool circle key, and this is how you open it. But anyway, so to install the product, you're gonna have to press in the brake lever as far as you can, because this little notch right here is where the brake lever is gonna go. Now if you have these adjustable levers, you're gonna have to put it all the way to the first setting, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, the first setting, because if you have it all the way at the, like, you know, 6th setting or something like that, or the furthest setting out, obviously the lever is going to be sticking out more further out, and therefore it's not going to give you the leverage or the point where you need to put it pretty much all the way to here to have this work. So if you have it all the way to the setting, like I said, if you have these adjustable ones, put it all the way to the number 1 so you could use this product. And then when you're back on your bike and you remove this product off of your bike, you could put it back to the setting you had it previously. So let's go ahead and let's move this all the way to the number 1 position, which will bring it all the way closest to the lever. Alright, so to install this product, all you do is just pretty much make sure that you have this open it like so, like this, and make sure that this little notch is with your brake lever, as you can see. And then once you get it there, go ahead, like I said, you know, have to compress the lever as much as you can. And you probably have to press it just a little bit more to get it on there, like so. So there we go. If you want, just move it in a little bit in, so it looks like so. And then once you do that, go ahead and just push the button, and that pretty much locks it in place. Now your front brake is locked, and they won't be able to move your bike forward or backward for that matter, because the front brake is locked. And even if they were to get it in gear, still the front brake is locked. So I'll show you how that looks like when you move the bike. Okay, now that you have your front brake lock on, if someone were to come up to your bike and try to take it, I'll show you right now. Put the bike straighten up, and I'm gonna see I'm not even holding that part. I'll just put my hand towards the side there. As you can see, the bike won't even move forward because obviously you're compressing the front brake. So even if they were to get it into gear, the front brake is on, they can't even go anywhere with it. So it's a good thing to have something like that. Like I said, I got the brake color red. So maybe from a distance, if someone were to see that on your brake, most likely they may not even approach your bike to even take it. But even if they did try to take your bike, obviously that's a good thing to have. So that would hopefully deter them from getting away with it. Okay, now say that you're done and you're on your way back to your bike and you want to remove the brake lock from your bike. Go ahead, get your key out. This is how the key looks like. Just a circle kind of key. Okay, let's go ahead, put it in there. Goes in, turn it, should pop out, and obviously it pops out like that. You want to compress the brake a little bit so you don't damage your lever if you have a nice finish like so. If you have your stock ones, oh well, you're not going to scratch it really anyway. But if you have some nice finish, you want to just compress the lever, remove it, and there you go. This is how you pretty much remove the lock. Then you can go ahead and turn it, take your key out, and then put it away. If you don't want it to be opening up like that, you could just go ahead and close it and lock it. So it's not flopping around in your backpack or your pocket or whatnot. Alright, so now let's get to the second product that I use when I'm out and about. Okay, now the second product that I use is this one. This one is a brake disc rotor lock. This one is made by Abus. And they have a few different designs if you're looking to get, I mean, they all come with designs. I picked this one because it had white and red, and my bike is white and red. I think they also have black. I'm not sure what the current designs are. I did buy this a little while ago. So pretty much this locks into your front rotor, and then this little bump over here is an actual button. So when you I'll show you in a minute how it works. So when you press that, put it onto your bike and you press this button, it actually activates it. And this also comes with a unique key, which looks like this. It has these like little bumps inside the key, so it's a very unique key. So it's not a key or a lock pretty much where someone can actually pick at it and, you know, get away with your bike. So I pretty much put the key in like the slot, goes in, turn it, and it opens up. Now this is the button I was talking about. So let's go to the front rotor and let me show you how to install this front rotor alarm. Alright, so to install this product is super simple. Now, to hear the noise that this alarm makes is crazy loud. I also got my decibel meter so you guys could hear on how loud this thing is. Alright, so let's go ahead and let me get started on installing this thing. Like I said, put your key inside, turn it, open it like so, and then you just pretty much want to install it over here. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, take your key out. You don't really need the key for that part. So once you get it over here, just go ahead and just close it. Actually, let me show you a different angle so you guys could see better on what I'm actually doing. Alright, so here's a better angle of the rotor, so I can show you exactly what I'm doing to install this. So like I said, put the key in, open it like so. So now that it's open, you don't need the key for this part. Alright, so let's put this onto the rotor. Just slide it in like so. Once you get it there, just close this part. You're going to hear a click. Once you hear that click, it's only locked. It's not set. In order to set the alarm so this is activated, remember that little bump I was telling you about? All you have to do to activate that part is to press it against the rotor. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, once you do that, that's letting you know that the system is armed and activated. Now let me show you the front of what's going on when you do that. Okay, now from the front view perspective, you're going to see that there's a little indicator window for a light. So when you lock this in place the first time, you hear that click. Like I said, that only locks it. It doesn't activate the alarm system. That little bump at the bottom, at the back of this, you want to press it against the rotor. And when you do that, you're going to see the indicator light turn on. So let's go ahead and do that. And there you go. Now it's activated with the alarm set. So now if someone were to come up to your bike and move it, I believe it may do a warning alarm. If they really try to move it, the alarm will definitely go off. So as you can see, it's almost like a car alarm where you have that little light just blinking once in a while. I also have my decibel meter, like I said, so when we hit the bike and the alarm goes off, I will put my meter in front so you guys could hear on how loud it actually gets. So right now I'm gonna move the camera away just a little bit, pretty much right about there. Gonna go ahead and move the bike just a little bit to see if we could get that warning alarm to go on. If the actual alarm goes on, I'll have my meter right here so you guys could hear on how loud it gets. As you can see, that's pretty loud. It's at 84, so let me go ahead and turn that off. Oh, I guess that was the warning alarm, so that didn't go on for that long. So it'll be enough to pretty much deter anybody, and if it doesn't deter them, it'll definitely find its way to a passerby and say, hey, you know, what are you doing? So that's pretty much it. I think if I were to hit it again, it may stay on a little bit longer. But like I said, once this alarm goes off, as you saw on the meter and how pretty loud it was almost at 100 decibels on the noise. Okay, so then when you come back to your bike, you're ready to go. To remove the alarm system is super easy. Don't worry if the alarm goes off when you put the key in. Like I said, the system is pretty sensitive. Okay, so it didn't go off, so that's good. So just go ahead, turn the key, open it, and then just slide it right off. Very simple. So this is the two products I pretty much use on deterring thieves away. Well guys, this pretty much concludes my video, and these are the two products I use when I go on my motorcycle rides that I use to deter thieves from getting away with my motorcycle. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions about the products, leave them in the comments below. Again, I also have links in the description below where to buy these products. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you guys are up to date with my latest video. And thanks for watching.